Alright guys, so I'm in a bit of a situation. Last night on my way home from work, my headlight stopped working. This morning I changed the fuse, it was working. On my way into work, halfway through, fuse blew again. I've got some kind of a short circuit in the headlight assembly here. But for now I just need to get home. So what I did on my lunch break, I grabbed a couple of little handheld LED torches, cheap ones, and I'm going to try and attach them somewhere on my bike, and not to actually illuminate the road, because the road's all right, just to make it out that as though I've got headlights, so I don't get pulled over, and hopefully that should take me home. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and I'll show you how that looks. Alright guys, so these are the torches that I grabbed. They're quite cheap, £1 or so. I'm gonna try and attach these somewhere in the front, turn them on, and hopefully that gives the appearance that I actually have headlights. The ride home is not that long, about 10 minutes or so, so hopefully that should get me home, because 2 o'clock in the morning, there's nothing else I could do right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to stick these on. I've got some tape in the boot compartment there, so I'm gonna try to stick these on now. Alright guys, so check this out. 2 LED torches as headlights. Got some masking tape on there. So yeah, gonna go ahead and turn them on. Let's see how they look. One on there, I've one on there, so let's do this. So this is how it's looking. I've taped on the LED torches, better than having no lights at all. So hopefully this should get me home without getting pulled over, and yeah, let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so I've made it home, alhamdulillah. This is how it's looking. They definitely did the job. In fact, some parts of the road where it was a bit dark, they actually lit the road up and everything. I didn't get any funny looks, didn't get pulled by the police. People who are in front of me were well aware that I was right behind them. And so yeah, I think this was quite a brilliant plan. Worked out perfectly, got me home. So check this out. This is jokes. They actually look quite alright in the dark, to be honest with you, and you'll see how it actually looks in the dark. There you have it. That's what people saw when I was behind them. They look pretty nice headlights, to be honest with you. So yeah, got me home, alhamdulillah, all good.